Join SEL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by SEL Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
The midnight mass at the Basilica Pendol will be at 12 o'clock on the 24th. And our own Cardinal Archbishop Filipe Neri Ferrão will be the main celebrant for the 24th midnight mass. After the mass, we will have a 3D projection mapping show on the walls of the cathedral. And this projection mapping is on the life and the mission of St Francis Xavier. So it is an added attraction to this Christmas that we are going to celebrate. 24th of December till the 27th of December, the wheelchair facility and the buggy facility counter will be closed. These are days of festivities because of Christmas, as you know. Also, the volunteers who have worked for so many days, they also need a small break with their families. Those who are in need of a wheelchair before the 24th or after the 27th. This is a humble request